Hello everyone, this is Clifford Kian from Peaznchips Productions. I've just completed the development of my game called USEU Arena. USEU Arena is a VR arcade shooter where you have to shoot as many enemies as you can and score as many points as you can as well. It is a slightly different game in the VR space in that it does emphasize movement, which I feel is lacking in the VR space at the moment. It is built using Unreal Engine 4 and is made entirely with Unreal Engine's blueprint system. And in fact, part of the series, why I want to do this series, to show that it is possible to create a complete game using an Unreal's blueprint system, provided you choose your type of game or the scope of your game carefully. So what do I want to cover in this series? I want to cover how we chose to make this game, the initial concepts, how we got started, and the prototypes. I also want to cover the ever-changing game design that occurred during the development of this game, but also the detailed programming portions on using the blueprint nodes to create your pawn, your enemies, your game engines, your collisions, etc. I'll also want to cover the optimization of the game, which is very, very important when creating a VR game, as you need to run at 90 frames per second. I'll also be covering how we did our 3D modeling and how we brought those assets into our game, as well as the audio and the tools we used to bring those assets into Unreal Engine. I'll also delve into the creation of our UI and the menu system and the HUD that we actually have within the game itself. And also some of the essentials such as loading of the game and saving of your game. Once I have covered all these aspects, what I hope to do and carry on with this series as well is to cover how we are extending this game as we add new features and new gameplay elements to it as well. So as we create new things, you will also be able to follow us on how we actually created these elements. Thank you for watching the introduction to the USEU Breakdown series. Don't forget to like and subscribe so as to not miss all the exciting new episodes that will be coming out. Our next topic that we will be covering will be how to choose your game and how to choose the scope of the game that you want to make. So, see you then.